stop it. Features, please. Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to do some stretches with scoliosis. So I'm going to show you some very simple exercises. Please, I have to preface this by saying if you've seen my other videos, please do not attempt anything dangerous. I know, little babes. It's okay. So here is kind of my tutorial. If you have scoliosis or back problem, here's a few things you can start out with. So what's most important is do not do anything that hurts you. If you feel even a twinge, you need to stop. Okay, so our most important is stretching the back. So now, you don't have to stand like this. This is a ballet gymnast thing. But we're really just gonna do some small stretches. Okay. Now, if this feels okay to you, we'll slow it down. And let's see if we can go a little further. Okay, if we're feeling a pinch, feeling a twinge, okay. And then come back up. We're just gonna stretch our arms. We're gonna see how that feels on the back. When you do your arms, what other part of your body is affected or is hurting. So stay away from those areas for right now. Let's see. I wouldn't do lunges. I wouldn't do anything that really stresses your back. So for right now, you can do a stretch like this. And as I said, if it hurts, stop. If it is okay, continue if you would like. So we can do very simple things. Now, the goal is to have the hips straight. That is the key. And this is something that I have to work on a lot because I depend so much on my right side. It has reshaped my hips and my spine. So this is something I deal with as well. So these are just some things that have helped me. And again, you don't have to point your toes. Now, so I'm watching myself and I'm seeing what I could possibly do better to help y'all. So hands on the hips always helps. I have a spot that's centered right here. So, okay, that's just a little background and some simple stretches. I hope this has been helpful. Tomorrow we'll work on more back stretches safely and progressing on our flexibility and trying to get out of some of this pain we feel in a safe and comfortable way. As always, thank you so much for watching the Queen Bee. Well, the Queen Bee is my dog, Picture. She's really cute, but anyway. So we'll be back later with another tutorial on small baby steps you can take in a nice, comfortable environment, such as your home, just like I do. I don't have to leave the house or go to the gym or buy any special equipment. You use what you can and what you find. So I will be back, and as always, I appreciate everyone. Have a good day.